One sunny morning, Mia was watering her plants. Except one tiny flower looked very sad. Oh no, why are you drooping, little flower? Mia, I'm thirsty and need a little love. You can talk? Every plant needs water, sunlight, and care. Just like you need hugs and food. I'll take care of you every day. Give love to the earth each day, and flowers will bloom your way. Soon the flower stood tall, bright and happy. Plant this and you'll grow your own rainbow garden. Wow, thank you, little flower. Caring for nature makes the world more beautiful. Be kind to plants and animals, and they're our friends. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.